Hello everyone and welcome to the channel and planet. Today we are going to see how to hide formula, hide headings, grid lines, hide formula bar, hide task window, hide sheet tabs, hide vertical scroll bar, and hide horizontal scroll bar, hide status bars. So let's start. Let's use the sheet which we have used previously in one of my videos. So it is the basically simple sheet which contains formula in the last H column. Here you can see the formula is visible over here, and it could have been seen while double clicking over here. So if you don't want to show to the formula to any of the one, or protect your formula to get visible to any other person for whom you are working or with whom you are sharing the sheet, for that you just need to select this cell or the cells which you want to hide for the formulas. Then simply right click on that. As you select right click, it will give you the option of format cell. Select format cell, then select protection, and here you have to choose hidden and press OK. You can see it's visible and formula is visible to everyone. Now again, after repeating the first step, you select the cells for which you want to hide the formulas, go in review and select protect sheet, and here you just need to select selected locked cell. It is already selected, and just click OK. Now you can see the formula is become invisible for everyone and no one could have seen your formula. Now to bring it back to its older state, I just need to select the cells. I have to over here press unprotect sheet and right click over here, format cells, protection, hidden, and OK. Now everyone could have seen the formula just like it was in its previous state. Now if in case I want to just make it the other things which I want to hide is let's formula bar hidden but visible to anyone if you want to see. I have gone in the view options, and here it shows you the formula bar. Just uncheck it and formula bar disappears. I could have bring back it from here. If in case I want to unhide the grid lines, I have to uncheck it from here. Now you can see there is no grid line outside this table or within this table which we have been working in. Now bring it back. Now grid lines are visible to us like it was before. Now if in case I want to hide the headings, for that you could have seen these are the headings basically. It's vertically 1, 2, 3, 4 and horizontally A, B, C, D representing the headings. So just uncheck it and they become disappear. It's just for the formatting you want to do for your sheet which you are working, or making it visible as per your way. Now bring it back while clicking on that. Task window is basically the window which opens over here while performing manual tasks. It opens and it could have been hidden from here, from this top, and this was from this side. And if these options are not visible to you in view option, then you could have gone in main menu, select options. In some of the offices there would be the option of advanced options. You have to click on advanced in this area, but in some offices you have just directly reach to this point. Now if I want to hide the sheet tabs are basically the tabs which are representing sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 and the name of the sheet, stuff like that. Now to hide these tabs, I just simply go in options, main menu, uncheck sheet tabs, and they will be disappeared. Now I will bring it back, and if I want to make this area invisible to make it more clear to the audience to whom I am showing this sheet, I just bring the sheet tabs back and I just uncheck status bar. Status bar will unhide this area. I press OK and you could have seen this has gone, disappeared. Now this is vertical toolbar, this is horizontal, this is the vertical scroll bar, this is the horizontal scroll bar. I could have hidden it from here as well. I will just go back in main menu, options. First I will check the status bar to bring the lower things back again, and then to hide vertical scroll bar I just uncheck it and press OK. Now you can see here vertical scroll bar has gone. I bring it back and I will hide vertical scroll bar. Now go in options, bring back the vertical scroll bar and now hide horizontal scroll bar. Yes, you can see the horizontal scroll bar is gone. Now I'll bring it back, options, horizontal scroll bar, and it is good to go now. So similarly there are the things which, if in case it's not available on the front page in the view option, which we was going from here, view headings, view grid lines, it could have been done from here. Here you can see rows and columns headings and grid lines. Grid lines are the the cells which are representing the lines which would make disappear. We could have done it from here as well. Let me do it for you. Grid lines, if I uncheck it and press OK, you can see the grid line has gone as we have done it from here. Now I'll bring them back, same like headings, rows and columns headings. This will make this numerical and alphabetical heading from the sheet disappear. As you can see, now I will bring that back again to its older state. And press OK. So this was all for today. I hope this will help you in applying the formatting the way you want to get things visible to whom you are presenting your stuff. Thank you much for your time.